Okay, good day. It's another Monday, and it's a hot one in the Philippines. We are moving along. Want to see the outside of the house from a distance. Let's go check that out. So here we go. And I'm happy to report that this wall is top coated now. That's kind of the finished product. And they're just moving along right around. Building our retaining wall. Well, kind of a retaining wall. It's more of a perimeter wall. So our entry is right here between this column and this column. We have a 12-foot. So we'll landscape this, right, in between the sidewalk here. Then we got a 12-foot wide opening that will have a sliding a gate. And then you're going to walk in here. And you're walking right in here, right? Backwards, of course. In here, we're going to have a step up here. And then there'll be a level entry into the house. This is our car park area. Mechanical room. This is what I would call our brown water, our roof water, where these are the water in the garden. Into the house here, we're still toying with turning this space into storage or leaving it open. We'll go back and forth on that. Sliding glass door here. This is our pantry. And this will be a butler's pantry. We'll have a sink here. This will be a steam oven, coffee maker above and a steam oven below, and a range top and then an oven here. We're going to have our dirty kitchen here, which is for you Americans. That's a kitchen that is on the outside. And use that for cooking stuff that I don't like the smell of. We call it a dirty kitchen here. This is the maid's bedroom. We'll have a double bunk bed in here. And then the maid's bathroom is here, and then the driver's room is there. This will be a clear or frosted glass wall here. It's like our deck. We have a big mirror here. I don't know if you noticed, but I put in good American standard toilets in this house with bidet seats. That's in all of the bathrooms. I think we have 2, 3, 4, 5 toilets in this house. 5. That's a lot of bathroom going. Okay, the master bathroom is not changed much. The floor. Got our drains in. We have our rain head, which is not functional yet. We're going to have another shower head here. That's his side. And behind me is the her side. Is this shower. These will be barn doors. Sliding barn doors. Hello. Pantry. Or excuse me, walk-in master closet. Good operable windows, raised windows here so you can put the bed along this wall. The headboard. And down the hallway to a linen closet. This would be bedroom 1 or 2, whichever you want to call it. And this is bedroom 2 or 3, whichever you want to call it. Probably 3. Master bedroom is 1. And here's my favorite room tile. Yeah, I like this block wall too. And this double tub. Pretty cool. Let's get up. Here's my office. Okay, let's get up here. Okay. Measure twice and cut once, or is it cut? Or is it cut twice and measure once? I can't remember. Well, we'll see, huh? He's looking for something. Probably no power. That's my guess. Somebody unplugged him, stole his power. So in the meantime, we'll look up our hot water heater. Gravity fed. You will want to know about that. This is gravity. I don't know if you can hear me. This is gravity feeding the fixture, and it does not come out very fast. Look at the smoke coming out of the inside of that pipe. Well, let's see. Ooh. See if it fits. Does it fit? No. Nope. 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 Gonna need a bigger hammer. That's tight. Yeah, it's nice and cool up here. Right? There's a nice breeze coming off here. Breeze is coming from behind me, so I'm comfortable. You can see how the breeze is blowing my hair away from me. Okay, what's going on down here? Okay, now's a good time to walk through here. done kicking up sparks. These treads are going to be wood, and the risers will be plaster and skim coat. We're going to paint these risers black, and we're going to have lave wood, just like our doors. And they're going to be lit up. He's going to go check on those guys down there with their wall, see how they're doing. Paint, paint, paint. I'm doing lots of team. It always seems to be cutting new holes. New holes seem to keep appearing. I want to talk to him about these dimmers because they don't really work with the darn. So let's see here. There we go. This one, can you see how that? And for some reason it's working better today. Why would that be? Oh, there we go. Now it's flickering. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I'll talk to my electrician about that.
Oh. Some of y'all never been down south too much. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this so that you understand what I'm talking about. Down there we have a plant that grows out in the woods and the fields. Looks something like a turnip green. Nearby called it poke salad. Poke salad. Used to know a girl lived down there and she'd go out in the evenings and pick her a mess of it. Carry it home and cook it for supper.
So these are light panels.
That's about all they had to eat. They did all right. Down in Louisiana, where the alligators grow so mean, there lived a girl that I swear to the world made the alligators look tame. Poke salad, Annie. Poke salad, Annie. Everybody said it was a shame.
Well,
cause her mama wasn't working on a chain gang.
so I'm talking to the electrician about that flickering in the dimmers. We tried a incandescent bulb and they flicker as well.
Every day for supper time.
We're not sure. Not sure. He's thinking maybe this ground wire is not connected yet. There's two of them. One here.
Poke salad, Annie.
And
the gator's got your granny.
maybe it wants to service ground in it.
Everybody said it was a
Nice.
shame, cause her mama was working on a chain gang. A wretched, spiteful, straight razor tote moment. Lord, I must pick my mess up.
We just sucked this wall section in, but I wanted to point out she had got a rebar.
Her daddy was lazy and no count. Claimed he had a bad back. All her brothers
attaches to these columns, and that happens at every level.